Here's how to create links and backlinks in Obsidian. So first have your Obsidian open, and then let's assume you have Note 1, Note 2, and Welcome, which is the default one when you open it. So to create a link to my Note 1, I can open two brackets in each other inside, and then type the note I want to link to, note name, and click on it. Let's create one for Note 2. Then when you click on Note 1, it will take you to Note 1. You can also create a link to Welcome to go back. Then when you click on it, it will take you back. You can also see the backlinks referenced in each document by enabling backlinks. And then you can also embed notes in each other. For example, let's say I have Note 2 low. Then I want to embed it into Note 1. I can type an exclamation mark and open two brackets, and then select Note 2. This will embed Note 2 inside Note 1. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.